Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how I built a powerful gaming PC for just under £575, powered by an RTX 3070 and the Ryzen 5 5600. Whether you're building for yourself or flipping PCs for profit, this build hits the sweet spot for 1440p gaming without breaking the bank. Let's break it down. Here's a breakdown of the parts that I use. For the motherboard, I went with the B550M DS3H, which I got from Amazon for £73. For the CPU, I went for the AMD Ryzen 5 5600, which I got off AliExpress. I got it for a good deal for £63, though I had to wait for maybe a week for it to arrive, but it works really well. For the RAM, I went with a used Corsair Vengeance LTX 32 gigs. I got it off eBay, used, and I got it for a really good deal for £33. For the SSD, I went with the TEAMGROUP MP33 Pro 1TB Gen 3 SSD. I got it off Overclockers for a very cheap price of $43.99. Honestly, this is the cheapest that I could see out of many retailers here in the UK. Next, for the cooler, I went with the Thermalright Assassin X 120 digital ARGB. So I got this off Overclockers for $40.99. So I was lucky because they had it on sale and I got it for a cheap price. For the case, I went with the MSI Mag PANO M100R. So what I like about this case is that it's got a good panoramic view design. It's got 4 pre-installed fans that comes in a reverse flow. There's adequate dust filtration, ample airflow, and it's got an integrated fan RGB hub. So it's good. For the power supply, I went with the MSI Mag A60PN. Nothing fancy, just a solid 650 watt bronze unit that gets the job done. The cables aren't modular, but with a bit of planning, it fits the build just right. For the graphics card, I picked up this RTX 3070 gaming OC from eBay used. It was a bit dusty and temps were high, so I gave it a proper clean and we pasted the thermal paste. Now it's ready to go in. Here's a final look at the parts. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions about where I got them. And please, like and subscribe.